Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's begin. Our today's story is about a baby bear, a story of kindness, choice, and coexistence. So, let's begin. Deep inside a lush green forest, where tall trees whisper secret to the wind and flowers painted the land with colors, lived a little bear named Baby Bear. Baby Bear was small, fluffy, and had the brightest eyes in the forest. But there was one thing he loved more than anything else in the world: sweet golden honey. Every morning, Baby Bear would clap his tiny paws and say, "Mother, Father, can I have honey today?" And his parents, Mama Bear and Papa Bear, loved him dearly. To make him happy, they would walk deep into forest, pluck beehives, break them open, and bring honey home. At first, Baby Bear didn't think much about it. Honey was delicious and he enjoyed every drop. One afternoon, Baby Bear followed his parents quietly. He hid behind a big tree and watched. Mama Bear climbed up a tree. Papa Bear struck the hive. Suddenly, buzz, buzz, buzz. Honeybees flew everywhere. Some were injured, some cried. Their beautiful home was destroyed. Baby Bear saw tiny bees running helplessly, searching for their queen, searching for their home. His heart began to ache. This night, when Mama Bear placed a bowl of honey in front of him, Baby Bear pushed it away. "I don't want honey," he said softly. Mama Bear was shocked. "But you love honey," Baby Bear replied with tears in his eyes. "I loved honey, but I don't love hurting someone else for it." From that day onwards, Baby Bear refused to eat honey. No matter how tasty it looked, no matter how sweet it smelled, he said no. Soon the news spread through the forest. All bears are worried. Baby Bear is not eating honey anymore. One quiet morning, something magical happened. The honeybees heard everything. They had watched Baby Bear's kindness. They had felt his pain. The queen bee gathered all the bees and said, "This little bear chose compassion over desire. We must honor that." And then a brilliant idea came in mind of bees. The honeybees decided not to fear bears anymore, but to work with nature instead of against it. They began flying farther. They visited more flowers. They worked harder, but happily, not fearfully. Instead of building weak hives, they could be destroyed. They built stronger, safer hives height above, where no one needed to break them. As they worked, something extraordinary happened. Tiny drops of honey began to fall naturally from the hives, drop by drop, without breaking anything. The forest animals noticed. The bees placed leaves under the trees, and the honey drops slowly collected. No hive was destroyed, no bee was harmed. And soon it was Baby Bear's birthday. He didn't ask for toys, he didn't ask for honey. He only wished, "I hope everyone in the forest is safe and happy." And that evening, Baby Bear was called to the clearing. There stood the honeybees carrying a small jar filled with golden honey. The queen bee said this honey was made with love, respect, and teamwork. No home was broken, no life was hurt. This is our gift to you. Baby Bear's eyes sparkled, not with greed, but with joy. He tasted the honey. It was the sweetest honey he had ever eaten. From that day onwards, everything changed. Bears no longer destroyed beehives. Bees no longer fear bears. Honey flowed naturally, shared, not stolen. The forest learned a powerful lesson. Nature gives more when we respect it. Baby Bear grew up to be a wise bear, teaching others. True sweetness comes from kindness. And the forest lived in harmony, buzzing, blooming, and smiling forever. And this ways the complete jungle changed. Now for honey, nothing was destroyed, and rather they were getting extra honey as gift from honeybees. What is the moral of the story? This is a beautiful story, and we learn something from this story. The moral of the story is compassion is greater than desire. Wanting someone should never mean hurting others. And the others moral value we learn, that is respect nature, and nature will reward you. Coexistence brings abundance. And one more lesson is hidden behind uh, this story is one small choice can change the world. Baby Bear's decision created harmony. And last but not the least, true gift comes from love, not force. So, this we learned from today's beautiful story, and how the action of small baby bear changed the whole jungle. So, this is our story. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Lots of blessings.